How to promote affiliate links on Instagram easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links using the Instagram social media platform. So here, as you can see, this is how affiliate links work. So first you need to promote it on different social media platform, and once you promote this one, customer can seize or access your affiliate link, and they will click on your affiliate link, and then they will be redirected to the merchant website to buy the product. And once the order has been processed, then the merchant credit the affiliate, which is you. You will be the affiliate person who will be doing the selling. So with that, the merchant will credit you for doing that, and you will be earning a commission. So commission are paid to the affiliate person, and then customer gets the product as normal, and also you earn your commission. So that's how affiliate links work. And before we jump to our video today on how you can use Instagram to promote your affiliate links, let me first show you the different website where you can get or apply for affiliate link. So here, as you can see, we have, when you search on Google for affiliate marketing programs, you will see this list. So here we have the Amazon Associates, which is the top. Most of the affiliate marketing came from Amazon, since they have a bunch of product lists that you can choose if what kind of product you want to promote on your social media. So we have also the ClickBank, which is also popular, eBay, Commission Junction, Giddy Impact, Awin, and Rakuten affiliate. So you just need to apply to the affiliate marketing programs for you to start promoting a product and earn commission every time there is a purchase. So here, going back to the Instagram, the first thing that you need to do is to build your Instagram profile. So for you to apply on affiliate marketing program and get approval to promote a product, you need to first build your Instagram account or any social media account. You need to have a good number of followers, and also you have a good engagement on your account, because a website like Amazon, they will be evaluating your Instagram before they will approve you to be part of their affiliate marketing program. So you need to have a good image for your social media account that you will be using to promote the product. So first, start building your Instagram account. So once you have a good Instagram profile, then that's a time that you can apply for affiliate marketing programs, and I'm sure that you will get approval. So these are the people that I follow. So just find a product that you are interested to promote in the future, and then create an Instagram profile for that, and then try to follow other Instagram account that also promote the same product that you like to promote in the future, and then just do what they do, so that you can also get good number of followers, and then get approval for affiliate marketing program. So over here, once you apply for affiliate marketing program, you will get a link, and that link is only good for you, and that is the link that you will be using, and you will add it here. So as you can see here on their profile, they have this link over here, and you can click on this link, and it will redirect you to the product page of the product that you are promoting for your affiliate marketing program. So here, as you can see, there's also another link here that you can click. So you can just copy and paste your own affiliate links here, so that people who are interested to buy your product, they can just visit your Instagram profile and click on this link, and it will redirect them to purchase the product, and by that link use, you can also earn some commission. So that's how easy you can promote your affiliate link using your Instagram account. But again, the hardest part is to build your own Instagram profile and to get high numbers of followers for you to earn more and get approval for affiliate link. So how can you build your Instagram profile and also how you can get high engagement. So it's just simple. You just need to create your own Instagram post. And then once you have an Instagram post, you need to make sure that it's attractive. Then the next thing that you need to do is to write a good caption. And with a good caption, you also need to add a different hashtag. So hashtag is the only way that you can reach to your audience for free. So this is what we call the organic search. So you just need to make use of different hashtag that is relevant to your business or to the product that you are selling. And with that, you can reach your audience and they can see your post. So for example, over here, as you can see, we have different hashtag here. So that's why you need to follow a Instagram account that also selling the same product as yours so that you can also get or learn from them if what hashtag works the best so that you can also get more followers and high engagement on your Instagram account. So over here we have the hashtag, and then you can also add some hashtag on the comments. And the other thing that you can do here to promote your affiliate program is to also have like this one. For example, you will be doing a giveaway. So over here, this will promote your affiliate link at the same time promoting your own Instagram profile as well. So here, as you can see, here is how to enter to win the box. You need to make sure you're following both myself and this account. So it will increase the number of your followers, and also like this post. So it will increase the engagement of your post, and then tag a friend in comments below. And this one will also help you expand your audience. And with that, you need to again make use of a good hashtag for you to reach out to your audience. So by the way, when you use a affiliate link, the affiliate link is very long and it's also contains numbers and letters, which is not really good. It's not like this one over here, as you can see. They have very clean link that you can click on. But for affiliate link, you don't have this one. That's why there's a other app that you can use to customize or make your link shorter, and that is the Bitly. So Bitly is the known website or platform to shorten your links or to customize your link. So for you to make use of a customized link, you need to sign up to their subscription or membership. But if you like to make use this one for free, then you can have a shortened link, but there will be a bit.ly, then 5 to 6 letters, and then .com. So for you to read off the bit.ly word and customize your own link, just like this one over here, then you need to sign up for their membership. So I guess that's all for today's video, how you can promote your affiliate link using Instagram. So I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.